Are you ready for some real lasting weight loss? Dr. Jones here, and I'm so excited that you're about to take this plunge. I'm going to explain in this video why you're going to be filling out this form so that you can schedule a free consultation with my team. I want you to know I have a 94% success rate when it comes to sustainable weight loss. That's weight loss that I'm confident you will maintain for the rest of your life. When it comes to weight loss, there's a lot of buzz right now, semaglutide, tirzepatide, and look, I think these are the best things since sliced bread, so you absolutely should consider using them, and we're gonna guide you in the right steps so that you can eventually wean off those medications. At this point, February 1st, 2024, I've helped over 1,255 people with real, lasting, sustainable weight loss. I'm going to be your coach from the get-go, week by week, and until the end to ensure that you are successful with being able to accomplish just that. So what are you waiting for? Click that button right there to get started on your journey for lasting weight loss, and I'll see you in the coaching.